Chris here from the Hangry Home Chefs. Today, we're cooking up a delicious creamy butter chicken. Start by cutting 800 grams of boneless, skinless chicken breast. Next, prepare 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon coriander, half a teaspoon turmeric, half a teaspoon cayenne, and 1/3 cup yogurt. Add these to the chicken. Now, mix it up. Sure, you could use a spoon or gloves, but really, why? Oh, I love that sound. Dice 3 cloves of garlic and a big knob of ginger. Add garlic and ginger to the marinating chicken and mix it. Ideally, you don't forget to do this before, and you add these when you added the other spices. 4 hours have passed. Time to prep the curry. Dice 1 medium onion and a few cloves of garlic to saute. I am crying right now, but I'm not gonna let it stop me. Add a spoon of coconut oil to a hot pan and add the onions with a bit of salt. A good curry gravy requires caramelized onions. Saute these until they're soft and sweet. Add the garlic you diced when you previously chopped the onions. Once the onions have softened, add 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon paprika, half a teaspoon of cayenne, 1/4 teaspoon of clove, and 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom. Cook these spices about 10 seconds before adding tomato. I don't have fresh tomatoes, so I'm using canned. Cook the tomatoes about 5 minutes until it loses its raw smell. Pour it into the blender and pulse. Heat a Dutch oven and add the blended curry. It's time to grill the chicken. Preheat the oven to 240 Celsius and set it to broil. Then place the chicken in a baking dish. Do something while you're waiting for the chicken. Pour some wine. Have a staring contest with your dog. I'm not here to tell you what to do. Oh wait, I kind of am. After 5 to 10 minutes, flip your chicken and put it back for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. When the chicken is done, scoop the chicken and its juices into the Dutch oven. Cook this for 10 minutes. Add half a cup of cream, then cook for 5 more minutes. We're just about done, so it's time to sweeten the curry up. I typically add 2 to 5 tablespoons of honey, but it really depends on how sweet your tomatoes are to begin with. Remove a piece of chicken, cut it in half, and check if the inside is cooked. If it is, you are good to go. Scoop the delicious curry onto some rice, sprinkle with cilantro, and boom! That, my friends, is how you make butter chicken. Oh yeah, look at that. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and hit subscribe.